Restoration Farm Project is an agroforestry project organically certified by an organic certified body. PGS is an organic certified body in Ghana. PGS means Participatory Guaranteed System. It's based on integrity and trust, right? That we trust that all of the farmers that are engaged, right, will keep the standards that we have already agreed upon in terms of organic cultivation. It's very, very critical development, right, at this point, especially with the backdrop of COVID-19, where now we see in Ghana and possibly in other countries that people are now looking for food that can boost the immune system, because it's all about immunity now. One of the salient points of growing food without agrochemicals is that you're now alleviating, right, the chemical burden, right, in your system that you would get from ingesting foods that have chemical residues. So that's the first salient point. The second salient point, growing food without agrochemicals and cultivating the soil organically, means that the yield of your crop, nutritionally speaking, right, is magnified. So you're actually getting a more nutritional yield, as well as reducing the residue from chemicals that may be on the crop or in the soil. And consequently, that's a factor that will build the immune system, right, and trigger the immune response that is necessary to fight off any viruses or bacteria that you might find right in the environment. So that's a very important point of pushing in this season of COVID-19.